Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, the thing come when I ask you to take the house facing. Remember now, those who I asked you to give me a house floor plan. I asked you for a house facing. But why am I looking for the house sitting instead of facing? Because if I'm going to tell you sitting, you might not know what I want. What am I saying? So I rather use the word take the house facing, because when you give me the facing, it's the directly opposite. Opposite is called sitting. So I'm going to show it to you. By right, for our school of Feng Shui, you must take the sitting. Sitting. The sitting will determine your whole house, wealth location, good location, bad location, all there. We use all the sitting. But because most of you are still new, so that's why I asked you for facing. But now I'm going to show you what I mean by sitting. Example. Okay, I just take up this one. Example only. This is a unit. So I want to feng shui the house. So what happened is that, okay, this house I measure it. The house sitting is 245 degree. North facing is 65 degree. This one I already know it. But the first thing, what will you do? Once you take okay, this is what I do before I go to the site. Okay, because on the site, the time when I go to the site, I will do the measurement. Why? Because at home I do my preparation first. I do all my preparation. So when on the site, if the varies about 1-2 degree, as long as it's within the same mountain, then I can use it. Unless the mountain change to another mountain or change to another qua, then I will rearrange the whole thing. But so far, with the help of Google Map is always point north. That's a true north. Then with the house, maybe apartment sitting, then I superimpose a blueprint and I do a preparation. Of course, I get the owner's help by giving me the direction of the door facing, like what you all have given to me. Then on the day itself, when I'm there, I will start to take all the thing about outside, all the external. Whether is there any bad auspicious sa-qi coming in, or do I have any blockage or any building that is hidden the thing. So on the day, I will do all the study. But before that, I do a house preparation for the indoor. Outdoor, I can't do. Outdoor, I'm going to do live on the spot. So as I said, this is what I know. Because the sign, the sitting is something a T. Then the one pointing on the arrow is called always the facing. So from here, what I must do, I must take the center portion of this blueprint of this unit. Okay? But before I do that, I must take a reading here first. Okay? Then before I take the center of the house, I must do the reading. Remember, this is how most of y'all do, right? You stand right in front of your house, right? Then you take the Loupan, then you point to the front, then you take the reading, right? Remember why I say the reading here is behind, not in front, because I want the sitting. If I want the sitting, I need to do a reading here. But if you are standing outside, then you read over. That means the one in front, that is a sitting. If you're outside the house, okay. So the difference between these two, it cannot be too far away, Like yesterday, one of our brother give it to me. Inside and outside can different one qua. I was shaking. I said, how can it be? Two qua different. How can the thing all change to two qua different? Something is wrong, no. You change one mountain, already got problem. You change two qua. Two qua is six mountain, no. So cannot, no such thing. Okay, so you got to take the measurement properly. So this is how you do the first measurement. Then your compass, the Loupan, you see the thing spinning, right? When the thing spin, always, okay, you see the two dot is below, so your Loupan will have the needle moving. So, sure got one side, you will find there's something at T side. The one must be at the two dot there. Then you find where is the direction, okay? Then once you understand, you get the direction of this thing. Like for instance, this one is 245 degrees. I already got the map here. Then the next thing, what must I do? I must bring the whole map to the center of the house. So what must I do? I take the center of this house first. I must find where's the center. Okay? If there's some missing portion of the house, then you add in the anything that is less than two-thirds of the house, you can join back. You can extend it to find the center of the house. But if anything that is more than two-thirds, then you don't need two-thirds of the house. The missing, if more than two-thirds, then you don't do extension. Like the one below, I don't do extension. Okay. Then once you take the center point of it, then I must put a cross. One is straight. Okay. This way you can see the two lines. Why? Because I must know where is a 245 sit, right? So that when I move the 245, this is how it sits, ma. Because if not, the thing will be not straight, ma. So I must find exactly at the line there. So when it sits at the line of 245 sitting, the front is 65. Then what you can do is you can give them, put this mat over it, this quad over it. When you are looking for anything about the bad sa qi, use the big tai chi. This is called the big tai chi. Use the big tai chi and you find all the bad sector. Take care of all the bad sector. Sector that is in the red color, like the southeast. Then if you need to hang the 7 metal, just hang it there. Okay? Just hang it there. So certain place that you see there is some sa-chi coming, then you just hang a crystal there. I already prepared for you all, but now I cannot send to you all. You text me your personal email. Only send by email. I cannot send by WhatsApp, but you're going to give me your email. Why? Because if I send by WhatsApp, y'all will have y'all will have the white color background. Cannot. So I must send by email so that y'all can receive your PNG file. Because I'm going to send a PNG file. This is the first one I'm going to send to you. So this one is only used for 2021, this year only. So if you want to do it for yourself or do for your friends, Feng Shui for them, up to you. Put this thing there. Once you find the direction or this template, superimpose it. Okay? So this is how it looks like. Okay, earlier because I got a white color background. So if there's no background, this is how it looks like. The right hand side one. Okay? So this is the one. The second one, I'm going to give it to y'all is wait. How come reverse? Wait. Well, press the wrong button. Okay, this is a color one. The next one I'm going to give y'all is the 20. This one can use throughout. Throughout. Okay, I also have the longer line that you see, the longer line is the division where I divide the qua. All the qua I divide up. So you can see it straight away. Okay, this one also is a transparency. All I give it to is transparency one. Okay, I think I better show. I do a short demo for you all. Okay, like you see, let us take the first one. Imagine this is a template, but then you have to know this one got to put behind this guy, because normally you put a time your floor plan could be in front of this guy. So what you must do, you must move this one to the back. So all you need to do is move it to the back. But once you move it to the back, then it's okay. You see or not? Straight superimposing. Easy, nice, Or you can just simply drag the whole thing over, Just bring the whole thing over, okay? That goes to the same one also. Originally, if you put when you put the thing your floor plan and the template, the floor plan could be right in front. So you want to move the template to behind. So whether you use a PowerPoint or use a Keynote, all you need to do is just move it to the back. Once you move it to the back, there is behind. Then the template can come in front. Then if you want to turn, two ways. One is that you can click and drag turn. If not, you can press a button. For those who using Keynote one, you know what I mean. For the PowerPoint, you better go ask someone who use PowerPoint one, because I don't use PowerPoint. I use a Keynote one. So I can't help you in that.
Again, thank you very much for this template.
No, welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. All this for you. Okay. I do all this for you so that you can use it. Okay.